Hi, welcome back to my channel. Karina here, and if you're new, welcome. I am Karina and I love to paper craft, and welcome to my Christmas series. So today we are going to make a pocket letter. So I'm going to make a pocket letter, and I would say last month I purchased some Rosie Studios Christmas pad and stickies, and also I went to a craft fair and purchased these Japanese ephemera. So I'm going to be using those materials. So just to cut down the process, what I did is I already cut the paper and cut the paper just to speed up the process. And okay, so I am going to display. There we go. So it's going to be like this. As you can see, this pocket letter has very soft pastel colors, I would say non-traditional colors. And I'm going to do like this. So the pocket letter is going to be like this. I hope you guys can see. And now I have to pick the ephemera. So I was thinking, I got here the jammies that came in that Japanese ephemera. So here's the ephemera. So let's start doing these, the first row. So I'm thinking on the first row, I think I'm gonna put this Christmas tree here. Yeah. Oops. Christmas tree. Like that. And then on my second pocket, I just love this bear. Isn't this cute? So the bear is gonna be here. And then I'm thinking of putting a banner here. I can cut that out. And so I can have a sentiment there. Then my focal point, I saw this deer. Isn't this cute? It's like a golden deer. And on this side, thinking about this one, another banner with sentiment here. And then I see animals, animals, animals. So I see a trend here. And I saw this cute penguin that needs a companion. Now, where's my penguin here? I know I had a bunny somewhere. Looking here at my the penguin and the that. So we balance the colors, and then on this side I was thinking to put another tree. This is a big one. I can trim it out, and then on here I can put another sort of a and then I can have a stamp, a sentiment here. And then on this pocket I can just put this one. So we got blue, 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 purple, purple, pink, and kind of like a golden brown, light golden brown. So let's see if it's pleasing here. And then, oh, I found the bunny. here is the bunny. Isn't this cute? So I'm thinking the bunny should go in here, so the penguin is not left alone. So I have here the layout of how everything looks, and I am going to put some jammies and some washi tape. I will be right back. So I am back, and I used these washi tapes that I had on my stash. These are from the Merry Days, Willow Lane. Can't remember where this one was from, and another one, a plain gold. So what I did was I already glue and also put washi tapes on each card. Now I need to do the sentiment. So since I have some Robons here from Rose's Studio, I was thinking of using these, or I can use the Rose's Studio stamps. And I was thinking I am going to use these wet cement ink, and because I don't want to use like black because it will be too much contrast, so we want to get all the hues, everything soft, still keep the soft look. So I am going to use the Happy Holiday ones, and Happy Holidays I was thinking of putting it in here in this banner, and I am going to ink and let's see how that looks like. See if you guys can see. Alrighty, Happy Holidays. Yeah, so here's a stamp, Happy Holidays. I move a little bit, and I shouldn't have used my stamp platform. And then I'm gonna use this other one that says Be Festive, and this Be Festive is going to go here. Be Festive. And yeah, I probably shouldn't have. I'm gonna move this washi tape a little bit down. Yeah, so almost is, the word is like coming out, rising off the washi tape. So Happy Holidays. I'm not happy with this look, the stamp, so I'm gonna cover it. You know, when we make mistakes, we can cover things and then turns into a different thing, right? I'll see if I probably cover it with these. Will be too crazy, right? Pick up the dark blue. No, I'm not happy with this one, so I am going to probably do another taggy here. Yeah, and then I can put jammies here, so I'm going to do this other taggy. No, it doesn't look good. Let's see what else can I find here. Oh, why not like this? Ahaha. Yep, so I am thinking of probably going to do one of the stickers, clear stickers, so I can put my sentiment there. So let's do the clear stickers. Believe. Oh, I love this one. This is like a globe with a ballerina, so it can be like this. And then I'm going to put this on top of the messy stamping. Yes, very cute. Here you guys can see it closer. It's a cute ballerina. So keeping again the soft look. Now it's time for jammies. So in that Japanese ephemera, it came these jammies, which they color coordinate. And I am going to open this up and place some jammies. So I'm gonna keep here 1, like the star. Put 2, and I'm gonna put 3 over here. So those are the, and now this one, I probably have to put another sentiment here. So I am going to use again my clear stickers. Maybe I should do the, this camel is bright, Mary, ho ho ho. I think I'm going to do the ho ho ho. Yeah, I don't want to use too much dark colors. Should I do the center, ho ho ho? I know it looks like that water, it looks like that letter is floating out there, so I need something more. And let's do some jimmies here. I'm gonna put here jimmies. Let's do a 2. Let's do a 3. I'll move this one around here. Okay, so I'm still not happy about this word, the stamp word, so maybe I should stamp it and cut it out. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna stamp this again. I'm gonna give this a try again. You see, when we make mistakes, we can still correct them. Yeah, I just want to see that word here. So no, it's gonna be too small. Let's see. Be festive. Yeah. Seems like it didn't stamp that great. No, I'm not convinced about that stamp. So what I'm gonna do is probably well, I can. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my golden pen here and right on top of the stamp, so it doesn't look, almost look like a distress, look. Yeah, you don't want to do too many sharp words because the colors are really soft, so everything has to go along. Yeah, that's it. So I cover it with gold. Yeah, and then I can just probably cut it. I'm gonna cut it. Cut these. I haven't used any of my foams. Yeah, so I can do that. And I know it looks like it's lost in the space. I probably should put something contrasting. Just thinking, do like that. Yeah, too soft. And then I'm going to cut these. What about that? Yeah, way much better. So I'm going to glue it. All right. Okay, so this is the pocket. Wow. So I'm going to insert all the cards. in my pocket. Let's do that really quick. Cover both sides. Okay. There we go. That's much tape. And then I can add a tassel here or a bow. Let's see what I have here. Yeah, same here. Or a bow. Yeah, I think I like the bow. Or maybe this color bow. Yeah. Go. So here we have the pocket letter. Very cute. So this is it. If you like this video, just don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share this video with any of your friends and family, and if you haven't done so, click that subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload videos. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video. Bye.